Chennai Silk Saree Sale. Latest collections at unbelievable prices. Up to 50% offer or branded gifts. Srinagar, Velachery, Cropate and Thiruvallur.
Your all time favorite நிறைய பேர் 7G சொல்வாங்க புதுப்பேட்டை சொல்வாங்க பட் ஒரு கல்லூரியின் கதை is my favorite as
I was very sure that Jyoti is again one of the characters that people will remember. My all-time favorite, I'll always say, I think if I have to say, it has to be Anita.
இப்போ அதுக்கு ஒரு sequel வருதுன்ற போது people are dying to see you in that. Are you there?
I think if you ask this question to Ratnam sir and Silva sir, they'll answer you better in this. The look was different what he had in his mind. If you see throughout the movie, I will not be wearing always that cop's dress. The role was good, the script was good, and I think director handled it also very well.
Any other characters that you want to play in the future?
I don't limit myself with one thing that I want to do only this kind of characters.
So எல்லாருக்குமே all time favorite performer and person எல்லாமே. So first of all, how do you look the same? அதை சொல்லுங்க எனக்கு.
No, I don't think so. I'm still looking the same.
You
but
are.
Yeah. I'm just maintaining whatever, and I think I'm just lucky by God's grace. Age doesn't hit me that easily, so being very honest, and yeah, and also I take care. I do my workouts, I do my skin routines, and but nothing major. It's just that whatever is needed to stay fit.
இந்த படம் கிஃப்ட் அப்படின்றது எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும். women centric films வர்றப்போ there will be many eyes watching also. அதே சமயம் வர்றது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம் தான் சில மூவிஸ். பட் நீங்க இதை பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க அண்ட் அவுட்புட் நல்லா வந்திருக்கு. the trailer is good and ஒரு காப் ரோல் ப்ளே பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. எப்படி இருந்தது எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ்?
Good. Something different, the director, when he narrated me the script, it was a good, strong female cop character, and the look was different what he had in his mind. If you see throughout the movie, I will not be wearing always that cop's dress. So it will be the pant, the cop's pant, but the shirts will keep changing, and it was interesting, and I had fun shooting it. Or a different role for me. In terms of being a cop, I think in one movie, maybe a very small role I did where I played a cop, and it was different then, and his character, what he has written in this, is quite strong, and also the way this cop thinks and how she makes the whole thriller reveals the secret points of a thriller.
And when you heard the story, என்ன தோணுச்சு உங்களுக்கு? பேபி இப்போ நீங்க வெரி செலக்டிவ். ஐ won't say you're not doing films, but very picky and selective. இது நம்ம ப்ராப்பரா பண்ணணும். even though we do quite அந்த அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் இது ஸ்மாலாக இருந்தாலும் குவாலிட்டியாக கொடுக்கணும். லைக் குவாலிட்டி ஒரு குவான்டிட்டின்ற மாதிரி. ஸோ இந்த ஸ்கிரிப்ட் சூஸ் பண்ணதுக்கான ரீசன் என்ன?
See, reason is this only, that I always look for scripts where the role is important in the script. So that is the main core point. I always look for any script, and this had that. And on top of it, the way director was very confident about how this character should be carried, what kind of personality it should have, and what kind of look overall this character should have. He had that clarity. So when these two things meet together, it gives a good output. So, and I'm happy because it did come out well, and a thriller is always interesting,
Yes.
So that was also another add-on to it.
your all time favorite நிறைய பேர் 7G சொல்வாங்க புதுப்பேட்டை சொல்வாங்க பட் ஒரு கல்லூரியின் கதை is my favorite as you playing Jyoti because it's very dreamy, because Arya will be there. ஒரு மாதிரி உங்க கேரக்டர் ஒரு ட்ரீம் கேர்ள், எல்லாருக்கும் அந்த ரோல் பண்ணணும்னு ஒரு ஆசை இருக்கும். அது மாதிரி எனக்கு தோணுச்சு அந்த ரோல், அண்ட் வெரி நைஸ் ஃபிலிம் இட் இஸ். ஸோ எப்படி இருந்துச்சு அந்த படத்தோட எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் அப்போ?
Again, I think with Appo, when director narrated me the script, I was very sure that Jyoti is again one of the characters that people will remember. So, and overall the script was very different. See, college script, it had that fun part also of a college, but how a love story gets into a serious
Yeah,
mode.
psychological.
How all the whole college gets to that level of again recreating.
Ama, yes.
That was very interesting. So immediately when I said, like, I told my manager, I said, this is for sure a yes. The role was good, the script was good, and I think director handled it also very well.
True, true.
And
The music
Arya,
was too
yeah, Yuvan also did his best. And Arya was a newcomer then, but I think he just
Nailed it,
did
yeah.
brilliant, in his role. So I think everybody's effort, and the movie is a good movie. But Jyoti is again one of very special characters that I've done, and I really liked the way director handled it. Horror scene, that scene where I while running, I happened to, on the wet cement,
Ama,
I
yes.
happened to step on it. Those kind of nice, different scenes in a love story. So yeah, that's again like one of my favorite too.
Very different, and அந்த மாதிரி ஸ்கிரிப்ட்ஸ் சூஸ் பண்றது இஸ் வெரி சேலஞ்சிங் yet very dreamy, I
Yeah,
thought. Yeah.
yeah.
அது மட்டும் இல்லாம all your இது பட் ஃபாலா இருக்கட்டும், the character you've chosen in that very different. அது வந்து people have to, மேபி சில பேர் இருப்பாங்கல்ல, சோனியா மேம் ஹேஸ் டு ஆக்ட், எங்க இருக்காங்கன்றப்போ இந்த மாதிரி சில நல்ல நல்ல ஸ்கிரிப்ட்ஸ் யுவர் ஆக்டிங். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ரீசெண்ட் டைம்ஸ்ல பண்ணது யுவர் ஃபேவரட் ஆர் ஃப்ரம் த நீங்க முன்னாடி பண்ண படத்துல இருந்து which is your favorite role?
My all-time favorite, I'll always say, I think, if I have to say, it has to be Anita.
Hands down.
Yeah, I mean, it has to be, because that character is something that I can't say it's something different than me. I was very natural in it.
Very angelic.
Yeah, and very, like, the way they showed me also very angelic,
Yeah.
and also very motivating, So I think that will always remain my number one, Anita. Yes.
நீங்க ரீல்லாம் பாக்குறீங்களா? பிகாஸ் அந்த அப்பாவை பத்தி சொல்றப்போ ஃபாதர்ஸ் டேயா இருக்கட்டும், இல்லை இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு டாக் அபவுட் யூர் ஃபாதர், ஒரு நல்ல விஷயமா பேசணும் அப்படின்னா அவங்க போடுறாங்க, உங்க அப்பா கிட்ட போய் நீ இதை காட்டு, ஏன் இப்படி இருக்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு when you're advising him, இன்னும் ரீல்ஸ்ல ஷேர் ஆகுது, அண்ட் ஆல்வேஸ் இட்ஸ் பீன் ஷேரிங் மல்டிபிள் டைம்ஸ்.
Yeah.
அண்ட் ஈவன் யுவர் ரெக்ரியேஷன் ஆஃப் யுவர் குர்த்திஸ் தட் யூ வேர், அது ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸா. எனக்கு அப்போ தெரிஞ்சு உங்க பேர் வச்சே தே மீன்
the red dupatta and
Amma.
white churidar. I yesterday was coming from here, from Vadapalni, and I crossed one showroom, and outside a lot of mannequins there, and one mannequin still had that white churidar with red dupatta, and I'm like, people are still buying this? I mean, they're still selling this?
Okay.
So yes, I think people felt connected,
Correct.
and that connection is strong, and I'm happy.
ட்ரூ. அண்ட் இப்போ அதுக்கு ஒரு சீக்வல் வருதுன்ற போது பீப்புள் ஆர் டைங் டு see you in that part 2. Are you there, and any update about it?
See, this is a very I think if you ask this question to Ratnam sir and Selva sir, they'll answer you better in this. I will not be able to answer this, because it's part 2, and ultimately, they both they are the captain of the ship. So I think they'll be able to answer this better.
அண்ட் அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் எல்லாரு கூடயுமே ஒரு கேரக்டர், ஒரு காம்போ உங்களுக்கு செட் ஆகிடுதோன்னு தோணும். பீட் விஜய் சார், பீட் தனுஷ் சார், யாரும் எடுத்துக்கோங்களேன், பீட் எனிபடி, எப்படி அந்த காம்போ அவ்வளோ நல்லா சிங்க் ஆகுது? ஹேவ் யூ ஹர்ட் தட் ஃப்ரம் பீப்புள் சேயிங் தட் யூ ஹேவ் குட் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி வித் எவ்ரிபடி?
I don't know, it just so happened. I think whether it was Simbu, Dhanush and I did about 2 movies, two movies, Pudupete and Kalukundan. And Srikanth, with Srikanth I've done 2 movies.
Yes.
And Simbu and I have done 1, and then Vijay, yes. I don't know, I mean, it just so happened that, it went well. The characters were quite well casted, I would say. That, that connection, It was never looking fake or made up.
But who is your favorite if you want to pick?
I think chemistry with me was I think Vijay. I really liked it because see, I am a fan of him myself, so I was so happy to work with him, and I love the chemistry that we have in that song, Kande Kande.
For me, it's Arya. So because எனக்கு தெரியல
Is
something,
it?
something about that movie or something about you guys.
Actually, you wouldn't believe that with Arya, when I was shooting that movie, we both were not even like talking too much to each other. At least with Dhanush and Simbu, we were very friendly. Beyond one point. After initial 1 week will always be when you're a little hesitant. You're
yeah,
new to
the
each other.
rapport it won't come.
But later on, you guys become friends, and then it becomes very natural. So. But I think with Arya, when I was shooting, it was always like, he was in his own zone. Why? Because the character needed to be always quiet and zoned out. So he used to be very quiet. He used to just sit in one corner. He became my friend much later, actually, after that movie. But then it's good to hear that, when you say that the chemistry looks good
Yes,
actually on screen.
very good.
So.
யாரா இருந்தாலுமே I feel it's very, maybe you make it very easy or they feel comfortable with you, but everything is very natural. I feel. And but any other movies full நடிச்சிருப்பீங்க எல்லாமே set, it's get to release but never released. Any movies like that in your career?
I think Sadrangam got delayed. If at all it had come before, I feel it would have done even more better. Just because of that delay, because the songs were super hit. And I love that movie's songs. But only thing is that it got delayed. And then, you know how it is. When the movie gets delayed, then that kind of affects the film. And it affected. And I think Karu Palaniappan sir had done amazing job.
And சில படங்கள் இருக்கும் அவங்க நரேட் பண்ணப்போ the story will be entirely different, but கொஞ்சம் improvisation பண்ணி அப்புறமா பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. But when they narrated to you, உங்களுக்கு மேபி அது பண்ண வேணாம் அப்படின்னு அந்த டைம்ல பண்ண வேணாம்னு தோணிருக்கும், but then it became a hit. Like there any film of yours?
I think Tiruttu
Tiruttu. Okay.
That was something that I felt that, I don't know, I'm doubtful. Will it run? Will people connect with it? But then it became a big hit, and I was like, wow.
Again, your character is the very likable character in that film.
So I think that was one film which I felt that whether people will accept it or not. But then people accepted it, and it
Good
did
that you
well.
explored.
Yeah.
But any other characters that you want to play in the future? In the Mari character, I am hands down to do it.
I don't limit myself with one thing that I want to do only this kind of characters. If you see, I keep trying different roles. So it depends. I mean, I am doing a negative role in Telugu, and I'm excited about it. Let's see how it comes. Because
Definitely.
you should keep trying something different. It's fun. It should explore it. As an actor, we have a lot of choices to pick from. So you never know what clicks where and how. So I like exploring, and I like kind of taking challenges. So there's nothing in particular that I only want to do like this only. This is right now I'm in a phase where I'm open to different kind of roles, but it has to be important. It has to be strong.
And we are expecting some rom-coms from you because that vintage feel, adu neenga பண்ணுவீங்களா? Are you willing
I
to
don't
do?
mind, honestly.
Okay. Directors, please listen to this.
I don't mind, definitely, because I think I love shooting for romantic songs. I enjoy doing that, and it's been a while, so I don't mind doing it. It has to be good, but
Okay.
since after 7G,
You've set a standard.
Yeah, so it has to be onto a good standard.
Thank you so much for coming today.
Thank you
and
so much.
Big success to Gift.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Chennai Silks Adi Sale. Latest collections at unbelievable prices. Up to 50% offer or branded gifts. Srinagar, Velachery, Cropate and Thiruvallur.